Welcome to another video, and in this video we're going to show a very interesting thing, that is web app. How you can get based on username and password, get data from Google Sheet. For example, college or school has to publish the exam result, the crucial important data that is password protected by the student username and password. This can be applied in varieties of other application as well. It's not limited to only school, college. It can be trading information given to clients, and they have free access to their own information, trading information. So let's go deep. I have now a user ABC and password is ABCD. Now if I log in this one, it takes a little bit time for Google Sheet to actually show data here. So HTML data is sending query and then receiving data all back in here as a web app. Now this information all are coming from Google Sheet. So this is, I have just demonstrated how a college or a school might be displaying the marks for students. Like this is the college name and the year and the subject, I mean physics, BA physics second year, something like that. It can be anything. Then which semester, semester 1, username is this, whatever we entered, and the name of the student is something, this one. Now the test is shown here: math, English, Bangla, as well as we can actually, this is customized as per the requirement. We can put everything in Excel and it will be Google Sheet, and it will be displayed here. And the grade or marks can be displayed on this side. So let's go to the Google Sheet. How we have, what are the sheets we have? We have main crucial important sheet is username. We have username, first name, last name, and the password. And then display sheet is this name is actually displaying here. So whatever we are going to name this sheet or subject, you can say math, English, blah blah blah, that should be displayed on the left side. And the remaining other information like semester, college, and class year, this is coming here because these are mostly common per student. So every student, these are the things as a basic primary information. No need to repeat it in the table, right? And what else we have? We have then per sheet we have some result, like math exam, for example, math exam test result has the list of grades, marks for each student or username, you can say. So this is like this one. So per exam you have each sheet, the username, and what is called the grade or marks. Now this is very easy because you can also mouse over this one and click, it will jump over here, and then press Alt Home and it will be coming back to original sheet. Click there, okay, Alt Home, and then it's back to there. Now another thing is I have information like how many sheets I have right here. So this sheet you can automatically generate from the custom menu, list tab. If I delete this one, for example this one, and I go to custom menu and list tab, it will automatically generate the number of sheet I have here, and also hyperlink them. So I can mouse over this one and go math, and the math is here. And other way around is to create the empty tabs. For example, If I want to create a tab, new tab, and then I go to make tabs, it will create a new tab, actually this one ABC, but it has template like username and grade, but nothing much other information we have to enter, just like this one. So we go here, username and then grade for this one, and that after we actually fill up the information, we can go and list tabs again. Let's go to display this one. You see we have a link here as well, automatic, so we can go and say link is coming. So this is how it should be working. I hope you get the clear idea. We can actually delete this one. For example, this is empty and I don't want to keep that one, and again we can go to list tab and to update. We are back to original. So that's it. And to go through script, we have a little bit complex, but not too much complex. Actually, it's a single page web app, right? So we have a spreadsheet, that is URL fetching and creating one variable, and that variable being used throughout all the functions we have. And then we have a login HTML page, is this one, this part, okay, and few this one, and few what is the function is there, one function, a JavaScript function. That function is being used to call the AppScript function to detect to get the data record, which is this one, login, get names, get records, right, this one. Of course, there is some login function also, checking, verifying the whether the username and password is matching or not. Those things are also there. And also we have small style sheet and simple JavaScript that is yet to be used. Actually, this is not yet used. So possibility is that if you have semester, multiple semester 1, 2, 3, 4, up to 8th semester it can be, or if it is started from semester 1, 2, 3, 4, that way, without mentioning the year. But if 4-year degree would always have semester 1, semester 2 for each year. So if we want to have a selection like which year, I want to get the year selected and then semester 1 or 2, then as per the selection this data will be fetched and displayed. So this will be much more I think complete solution, I would say. Comment if you like that kind of solution. Thanks.